Let's work on this Tecno device, a button phone that refuses to charge after it entered water. According to the owner, the complaint that was lodged against the device is that it fell inside water and the owner tried to give it a tough servicing. After many attempts by the owner, the device came up, but it failed to charge. At times, it will charge for 5 seconds. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process by which you can resolve this kind of problem. As you can see it on the screen, it charged for 5 seconds and then it stopped charging
for 5 seconds.
Now let's proceed. Find any possible means to open the device.
Now,
it may not be of this exact phone, but it may be having charging related
honestly
issue.
Problem charging
Number one thing is to verify that the charging port is okay. Although for this particular phone, the charging port is in good condition.
Even gone towards the charging IC area, there is no water penetration there.
It out.
Everything was fine. Now,
Now, where does the problem come from? We need to shift our attention towards the charging IC area.
So mo ní láti troubleshoot
ẹ̀
further láti mọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ níbo ni ṣíṣọ́ circuit ló fà ní ṣe line ló cut ní. After a while, I get to realize pé
from the charging port is
iná tó wọ bí bus line ó correct. Then that same current ló supply the charging IC.
When the charging IC is about to release voltage,
charging IC
is giving out unstable voltage,
so problem
which is relatively low, but couldn't charge the device. Now our focus is now on the charging IC. There are two possible solutions you can do.
Number
one
solution
is that you can actually bypass the charging IC. But if you have a replacement from a donor board, you can just change the charging IC.
Low short.
What are the reasons why you can bypass?
There are two methods.
On all these smaller versions of
the charging IC
that you can bypass.
You can bypass the charging IC.
Phone. At times,
why
it will work for some Android phone at the same time. It will be giving battery-related issue.
Bypass
always advise to
smaller version of
change
phones
charging IC.
Bypass
bigger phone.
To
but for the smaller phone like this,
big phones
you can actually bypass it. Now,
there's no
how do you know
limitation
what to bypass? Now, before you remove the charging IC,
things
you are going to look for the
this particular one,
bypass. You know, for every
at first
charging every IC there will always the input and output, which is more or less like GND and then the positive line, which could be V-bus line,
charging IC phone
connector, then V-bus line in charging connector. Now, you look for the
V-bus line to feed the
inward
charging IC
feeder of the charging IC.
Now,
and then the output side of the charging IC. Just make sure you identify the two
continuity.
Then,
before
once you
IC, let's
remove the charging IC,
continuity line.
Make sure that you loop
from both the input and
together,
output.
The input and output.
Before
but in the center,
after removing
there is a GND.
So the looping
must not touch
the thread. You know what to do
GND. Otherwise,
so now, which
the charger
will bypass
triggering
charging IC.
The charging port will be triggering the charger to go off. So that's when you will see that the indicator will be tripping off because you have the V-bus line is now on GND and you already have GND on it. So it will be triggering the charger to pull off the light. So now, after repairing it, you were able to test. Although the jumper will be on continuity when you are reading it through the IC.
Now,
I also have an ebook that explains this further.
No implication.
I have a PDF in which you are going to get the numbers of readings, method, how to diagnose a mobile device, how to use multimeter, how to use many power supply, how to make effective use of some software in order to rectify a hardware problem. If you are interested, just DM.